She was already yours. You just didn't notice the signs. And now you're replaying every moment in your head, wondering how you missed it. Most women don't confess their feelings directly. Their actions speak first. The scary part? You probably thought she was just being nice. But here's the truth. Attraction hides in small behaviors, tiny moments, tiny reactions. And if you miss them, you lose someone who already chose you emotionally. Pay attention to this, because sign number 1 changes everything. She remembered random details about you. Things nobody else cared about. Your favorite snack, your weird sleep schedule, the story you told once, months ago. She stored it in her mind. Why? Because emotionally invested people pay attention naturally. A woman doesn't memorize small things by accident, especially when she likes you deeply. Imagine this. You casually mention loving rainy nights. Weeks later, she texts, "Looks like your favorite weather today." That's not random. That's emotional focus. But most men ignore it. They think it means nothing. This is where it gets interesting. Sign number 2 is even more obvious. She found excuses to talk to you. Even weak excuses. She didn't always need a reason. She just wanted connection. Sometimes the message was pointless. "Did you watch that video? Are you awake? This reminded me of you." The conversation itself was the goal, not the topic. Psychologically, people create contact with those they emotionally crave. Even tiny interactions feel important to them because your attention feels valuable. But here's what hurts. You probably answered dry. One-word replies, delayed responses, while she was trying to build closeness slowly, without looking desperate. Pay attention to this next sign. Most people completely miss it. She became softer around you. Her energy changed. Around others, she seemed guarded, confident, controlled. But around you, she laughed differently. She talked slower. Her eyes stayed on you longer. That emotional softness matters, because comfort creates vulnerability, and vulnerability is dangerous for someone who cares, especially emotionally. Imagine a woman who never opens up, suddenly telling you personal stories, childhood memories, insecurities, dreams she never tells anyone. That means trust is forming, and trust is rarely casual. Remember that. But here's the truth. The next sign is painful to realize later. She got jealous in subtle ways. Not dramatic, subtle. Her mood shifted when another woman appeared, even slightly. She asked questions casually. "Who's that? You two seem close. Do you like her?" That curiosity wasn't random. It was emotional protection. Because when someone fears losing you, they start comparing themselves silently. This is where men misunderstand women. Jealousy often hides behind jokes, behind sarcasm, behind fake indifference. But emotionally, it reveals attachment. Pay attention to this.
Sign 5 is incredibly powerful. She supported you emotionally, even when nobody else did. She noticed your mood changes, your silence, your stress, your emotional exhaustion, and instead of leaving, she leaned closer. She checked on you, encouraged you, tried to make your day lighter, even in small ways. Real emotional attraction isn't always loud. Sometimes it looks like care, quiet care, consistent care. Imagine having a terrible day. Everyone ignores it, but she notices instantly. You okay today? That sentence matters more than you think, because attention is emotional investment. But here's where it gets deeper. The next sign is almost impossible to fake. She tried to impress you quietly. Maybe she changed how she dressed around you, or fixed her hair when you arrived.
Maybe she acted cooler, funniest, smartest. People naturally perform a little around someone they want. That's human psychology. They want admiration, validation. They want to feel chosen by you. And the craziest part? You probably thought she was just confident. No, she cared what you thought. A lot. And now, the final sign. The one most people regret missing. She stayed, even when things became difficult. She stayed through confusion, mixed signals, distance, bad timing, because emotionally, she already chose you internally. That's why leaving wasn't easy for her, even when you gave her reasons to. People fight hardest for connections they truly feel. Remember that. But eventually, even loyal hearts get tired. And sometimes the biggest heartbreak is realizing someone loved you quietly while you were too distracted to see it. Too emotionally asleep. So if someone in your life shows these signs, pay attention before it's too late. Because not every person says, "I love you," out loud. Some people show it in silence, in patience, in effort, in small moments nobody notices, except the people who are emotionally aware. And maybe someone already chose you a long time ago. If this video hit home, subscribe for more psychology and relationship truths, because the signs are always there. Most people just never learn how to see them.